How to apply monetization to Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to apply monetization to Facebook page, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Facebook, simply first of all switch your account to the Facebook page. Now let's just tap on our profile and let's just select on the hamburger icon. Switch to our Facebook page over here. As we tap on the Facebook page, what you simply need to do is tap on the Facebook page icon at the top right corner, and here you get to see different options. Let's select on professional dashboard. Now scroll down and here we have the option of monetize. Tap on monetize option and here it says we are not yet eligible. So you can see it says not yet available. So let's tap on one of these options over here and this will clearly show what are the eligibility criteria. So you can simply see different options over here. So you might have at least 1000 followers and other criterias over here that you need to fulfill in order to apply for monetization on Facebook page. So that's how you can see if you're eligible or not. And to apply monetization, you have to be eligible first of all. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.